Myself, Javin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our course is Genetic Engineering, and today's session is microinjection. So, first of all, microinjection was first proposed by Dr. Marshall A. Barber in the early of 19th century. This method is widely used for genetic transfection in mammals. It involved delivery of foreign DNA into a living cell. Example, cell, egg, oocyte embryos of animals. Through a fine glass micropipette, the introduced DNA may lead to the over or under expression of certain genes. It is used to identify the characteristic function of domain genes. So, what is the procedure? So first of all, the delivery of foreign DNA is done under a powerful microscope using a glass micropipette tip of 0.5 mm diameter. Then cells to be microinjected are placed in a container. A holding pipette is placed in the field of view of microscope that sucks and holds a target cell at the tip. The tip of micropipette is injected through the membrane of the cell to deliver the content of the needle into the cytoplasm, and then the empty needle is taken out. In this, we inject our foreign DNA using a micropipette containing foreign DNA in the nucleus of a cells by holding cells by a holding pipette. So what are the advantages? No requirement of a marker gene, introduction of the target gene directly into a single cell, easy identification of transformed cell upon injecting injection of dye along with the DNA, no requirement of selection of transformed cell using antibiotic resistance or herbicide resistant markers. It can be used for creating transgenic animal organs, particularly mammals. Then what are the disadvantages of this method? The procedure is time consuming and only a small number of cells can be treated. So here is the conclusion. These techniques provide direct nuclear delivery of DNA, avoiding the endogenous pathway, and also ensure that the DNA is delivered intact. Microinjection is suitable for the introduction of large vectors such as YAC into the pronuclei of fertilized mouse eggs. DNA delivered in this manner must be very pure, so it also occur in the delivery needle. And large DNA fragments are often protected by suspension in a high salt buffer or mixing the polyamines with other computer controlled micro manipulation and injection processes, as well as the automated production of needle capillaries and the standardization of cell preparation procedure. So it is the procedure of microinjection method for gene delivery. This video is powered by JVW Jaipur Digital 2.0 version. So if you have any kind of query, you can write down. I will resolve it.